The European Commission has cautioned Kosovo that the police's closure of several post-of-Serbia branches could result in very negative consequences for local residents and constitutes a breach of agreements established under the EU-facilitated dialogue. On Monday, police raided at least 9 post-of-Serbia branches in northern Kosovo, an action the EU characterized as a unilateral and uncoordinated step. A spokesperson for the European Commission stated on Tuesday that the EU has clearly outlined its expectations from Kosovo Prime Minister Albin Kurti's administration. We expect them to reconsider and address this issue within the framework of the EU-facilitated dialogue, proposing solutions to mitigate the potential negative impacts of this decision on the people in northern Kosovo, said EU spokesperson Peter Stano. Tensions between Serbia and Kosovo, whose 2008 independence from Serbia is not recognized by Belgrade, escalated last year due to a dispute over the legitimacy of local elections in the predominantly Serbian northern region, which led to violent unrest. In response to the violence, the EU implemented temporary measures against Kosovo, including a suspension of high-level contacts and financial cooperation. Since then, Pristina has mandated that the euro, its official currency since 2002, be the sole legal currency in Kosovo, effectively prohibiting the use of the Serbian dinar. The dinar is widely utilized by the Serb minority in Kosovo, who depend on financial support from the Serbian government and access these funds through Serbian institutions, including banks and Post of Serbia. Belgrade condemned Monday's closures as yet another example of the blatant display of force and unlawful actions by the temporary self-governing institutions in Pristina. Petar Petković, the director of the Office for Kosovo and Metohija in the Serbian government, accused Kurti of provoking war or conflict on the ground at any cost, all under the watchful eye of the international community. Meanwhile, the EU Commission spokesperson noted that the measures introduced against Kosovo last year were a response to actions that led to escalation. We are now witnessing more unilateral steps and uncoordinated actions. This does not contribute to de-escalation, rather it leads to further escalation. This should be clearly understood by those making decisions in Pristina, Stano explained. Brussels has warned both Belgrade and Pristina that a lack of compromise threatens their prospects of joining the EU.